kung bakit kailangan mong mag-picture habang umiiyak. Diba? Kung ang tsura niya. Ano to? Sad react. Huh?
Ano na? Nagka-boyfriend ka na ba before?
Niligawan mo ako?
Pwede ba?
Ligaw-ligaw pa? Kader-der? Tayo na agad.
Seryoso ka ba? Baka may kadutong sarot pa yung sentence mo.
Oo nga. Basta, ito lang condition ko, Rafi. Kung paano tayo sa isa't isa ngayon, ganito lang tayo. Chill lang. Walang drama, walang...
Kader-der?
Eksakto. Understood?
Ma'am, yes ma'am.
Wow! A scene drop!
Diba? Kung ang tsura niya. Ano to? Sad react. Huh?
Ano na?
Hmm.
Nagka-boyfriend ka na ba before?
Niligawan mo ako?
Pwede ba?
Ligaw-ligaw pa? Kader-der? Tayo na agad.
Seryoso ka ba? Baka may kadutong sarot pa yung sentence mo.
Oo nga. Basta, ito lang condition ko, Rafi. Kung paano tayo sa isa't isa ngayon, ganito lang tayo. Chill lang. Walang drama, walang...
Kader-der?
Eksakto. Understood?
Ma'am, yes ma'am.
There we go! A scene from Minamahal. This is claiming that we are gonna go.
Hello guys! Okay, kung sa movie niyo. Okay, so, since nagkasama na kayo sa Mutya, so, kamusta naman yung first day of shooting niyo for Minamahal? Kahit kung konting kwento. Kinabahan pa ba kayo or first day? Any memorable?
Siguro mas more kinakabahan para sa pagkapako sa character kasi nangangapa pa ako sa character. Pero with Andres, parang sa kanya ako nakakuha ng assurance na kaya mo yan. Yun, sa kanya ako nakuha yun.
Assurance. Assurance.
Yes.
Yes.
The first few days ng shooting namin was not easy, pero nag-enjoy kami talaga. Yung mga first few sequences were, diba direct medyo mga mabigat na eksena.
Mabigat yun.
Mabigat.
Hindi naman na namin.
Yung mga first 5 days ng shoot, it was all mga mabigat na eksena. So, syempre, kinabahan kami. But overall, since we enjoy what we're doing and we enjoy the craft of acting, we were able to get it done and do a good job, I hope.
And last question, paano kayo nakarelate sa mga characters niyo sa film? Paano kayo nakarelate? medyo pareho sa mga characters? Hindi lang.
Sa tingin ko kasi si Rafi, you know, he's a very shy person. Don't want to say din na he's introverted. Parang ako dati nung nasa high school ako, I was not super extroverted. I was medyo shy, tahimik lang talaga. Tapos parang, I don't want to spoil it. But yun nga, parang nung high school ako, I was a little bit shy, you know, and as I started to work here in the industry, I started to learn more about myself and I guess bloom to who I am today. Bloom, flower, reference. And yun, I think it's very similar, ako naman, I think it was very similar yung character ko ni Andres kay Rafi, at least in the idea na how nice he is and how thoughtful Rafi is. I think it applies to me as well.
And Ash?
Po, siguro sa akin, parehas kami na alam kung hanggang saan or kung hanggang kailan lang dapat yung mga bagay-bagay. Yung parang hindi namin pinipilit kung ano yung hindi para sa amin.
Thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you po.
Here we go. All right. Last on the list, we have from Pika Pika and Abante.
Hello po.
Hello.
Marami na kami nakitang love teams sa pagko-coverage namin sa showbiz. Ang kalaban usually, pag lalo pagsikat, burnout. Paano nyo kaya malalabanan yun?
Pagod, yung burnout. Ako naman, ano kaya? Burnout, di ko pa masabi. Kasi I'm very new din. So, right now, habang may energy pa ako, habang bata pa ako, I'm trying to really make the most. And I'm sure also Ash, diba? But, yeah, go.
Pero siguro kung darating man po yung panahon na yun, siguro iisipin namin kung bakit kami nagsimula, kung bakit namin gusto yung ginagawa namin. Kasi darating talaga yun parang minsan mapapagod ka, iisipin mo kung tuloy ko pa ba ito, ganyan. Pero kung aalalahanin mo kung bakit mo gusto itong ginagawa mo, parang mababago yung mood mo, mababago parang ma-revive yung eagerness mo gawin ulit yung trabaho mo. Yun po.
Next question.
Add ko lang po, it helps din siguro, although yun nga, it helps din siguro na they really like each other's company. So parang nag-lift up nila each other in spite of the stress, di ba? It helps kasi pag ganun, di ba? So imagine mo lang, halimbawa, hindi nila gusto yung isa't isa, tapos nandito sila sa ganitong trabaho. Talagang mag-a-attitude sila. Pero yun, I think it's, aminin nyo, nakakabawas ng stress. You like being in each other's company because you support each other.
Yun nga, if I may add na parang when I'm with Ash, halimbawa kapag nasa-stress ako sa mga eksena or mga trabaho namin, mas na-feel ko na, okay, kasama ko si Ash, so I can always, work with her and there's that dynamic where minsan kapag nasa-stress si Ash, tinutulong ko din siya in those times. And it's a team effort. We help each other,
Next question. In some level, minamahal nyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Pakinggan mo.
Yes, today.
Ang una? Yes! I mean ko talaga like, there is love talaga. Because we have this bond, the amount of time that we've worked with each other and everything. We're really, really, really good friends. And there is that bond. And syempre naman because she's my friend, there is that love, and I really appreciate Ashley for who she is. And definitely, I would say that she's helped me so much in my journey because kahit bago pa ako, she makes it easier for me to work in some of these sequences, And yun, ikaw.
Ako, same po, syempre may love din. Kahit sino lang. Hindi, syempre love namin si Derek. Totoo yun, kasi si Andres kasi sobrang mas magaan talaga, tulad po na sabi ni Direk, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag trust mo or comfortable ka sa partner mo. Thank you po.
Thank you.
There we go, and I think that wraps up our Q&A session. Palakpakan naman natin.